Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Bloom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be taking you to Nigeria to show you one of my favorite childhood soup recipe. We are going to be making water leaf soup. Now back home we used to use fresh water leaves, but for those of you living in areas where you cannot find fresh water leaves or they only have frozen water leaves, I'm going to be showing you how you can still make your soup to be really yummy and delicious. Don't forget to show your support. Click on the like button, share this video with your friends, your family, on your social media platforms, and please subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your notification. I'll be right back and we're going to get straight to the ingredients and get cooking. Thank you. Come back. So for your soup, you can use any meat combination of your choice. So for me, I'm going to be using the apple snail meat. This is the smaller size of the snails, and that is what the packaging on the top looks like. And then I'm going to be using dry catfish or smoked catfish, fresh ginger, some crayfish, garlic powder, salt to taste, cayenne pepper to taste, seasoning powder, and this is stockfish. This one I have soaked in hot water just to soften it up a little bit. And then I'm using one small tomato paste, onions, and here I have lime. I'm going to use this to wash my snail. So you can also use alum, which is like the white rock that is sold in some places for washing or for purifying your water. So you can use alum, lime, or lemon, and then you can also wash with salt. I'm going to also be adding fish. This I'll be frying in a bit. I have my oil preheating already, and then these ones I have here are jumbo snails. This is what it looks like, and so I'm going to be showing you in details how to wash your snails so that you can get rid of the slime and the sand. And then this is my water leaves. Like I said, it's from frozen. If you have fresh ones, for sure use fresh. And I'm also going to be using mushroom. This ones I bought whole and then I just sliced it. So I'm just going to rinse this and add it in when after sauteing my onions. You're also going to need palm oil and canola oil. So basically for this soup you use only palm oil, but I like to mix mine half and half, so I'm going to be doing a mixture of both. And the seasoning for my snail today, like most of you know, I love my green marinade. I'm going to be using leek, 2 small celery, some cilantro, and parsley. So we are going to start first by washing the snail, and we'll blend the stuff for the green marinade, and I'll just show you how we are going to season the snail. So you want to make sure you really wash your snail very well. Take the time. So we're going to start washing the snail now. When my oil is done preheating, I'll just add a little bit of salt to my fish, and then I'll fry that. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here we have it. Our water leaf soup with jumbo snails and small snails is ready. Really, really yummy and tasty. And we are having ours with pounded yam this evening. Feel free to make any swallow of your choice: millet, eba or gari, plantain flour, whatever you want. Cassava flour you can use for this. And then you can also add whatever spice you want for the soup. So you can add your uziza leaves, iru or locust beans. So whatever you want to do, just adjust it to your taste. Give it a try. Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.